I think this would be pretty cool. So let's take, for example, the div tag snippet that I made. So, oops, I messed that up. So let's edit it. Alright, so let's say we have this right now, but it'd be cool if maybe you can add a hotspot, a special hotspot that will wrap selected text. For example, you can put a W to represent that this will be the special wrapping hotspot. And now you could only have one of those per snippet, you know what I'm saying? Because, well, I guess, maybe you could have multiple, and then the highlighted text would appear in multiple locations. So you can represent this as a wrap hotspot, alright? And then, so how that would work would be that it worked the same way. So for example, let's say you didn't type, you didn't select any text, and you just, you just use the trigger like normal by pressing tab. And you can do whatever you want to do like normal. Alright? But now let's say you want to wrap text, then you could do this. Select the text and then maybe press Control Enter. Control Enter would be cool. Alright, so you press Control Enter. Now what would happen is a pop-up dialog would appear, and obviously I can't imitate that right now, but then in the pop-up dialog you can specify the name of the snippet you want. So let's say you want div, then you press enter, and then what that would do, it would automatically create a new div, and wherever that hotspot was, the special one with a W for wrap, or for, you can use whatever you want, the highlighted text that I had before would appear at that location, and then the cursor would go back, would appear where the first hotspot would normally be. So at this point I would start doing my I would start selecting the optional, I would start selecting the options that I want, and then when I press tab, it would skip this hotspot here because it's already done. You know what I mean? So I think that'd be pretty easy to do. I have no idea how the inner workings of the plugin works, but I'm pretty sure that that would be pretty sick to do. Heck yeah, you should definitely do it. 2 thumbs up.